No one can stop me, I feel like the greatest. Don't say be humble, I patiently waited. All of this love and I ain't even made it. I got a plan for them niggas that hate it. Running some bands for my bros, I'ma make it. They want me going, I can't walk around naked. Even my
Bye. Beat Squire, what is up, guys? How you guys doing today? Whoo, guys, it is hot. I got the AC on blast. I'm trying to tell you, I'm trying to get my beater warmed up. It is super hot and outside and in this car. But yo, guys, what is up? Once again, how you guys doing today? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Hope you guys are enjoying life. Hope you guys are staying out of this heat because it is super hot. Trust me, this AC's not kicking in right now, so it needs to kick in. Like, trust me, y'all, like real rap. Like, it's hot. But yo, I hope you guys caught the hottest bike life merch in the game so you can win a brand new GoPro, guys. I'm doing a month-long giveaway. How you gonna enter? All you gotta do is buy anything off the site over 10 bucks starting yesterday, guys. So you can do it right now. Go to the site, www.bradvlogs.com, or first link in the description, y'all. So what are we gonna do today? We're gonna fix the cash wind up a little bit, and I want to see if Fatty wants to call me. So we're gonna go shoot over there and see if what he wants to say, big boy. What's up, Papa? What's up, Grandma?
What's up?
What's up, Ma? Y'all alright? What y'all doing?
Look, ¿qué te pasó en la bag?
Get back. What you talking about?
It's on my back.
You
What happened?
fresh, you look.
Are you sweating or that's pool water?
It's cool.
You using the pool? Alright, that's why y'all want to call me, because you swimming.
I just got out.
I went into that. You was swimming, huh? Listen, he leaving his big brother for the pool. It's cool. It's cool. I see how you feel.
I'm about to throw you in.
Nah, I see how you feel, dog. I see you. I see. So I'm about to go fix the KX1 so we can ride tonight.
Okay, but look, I'm gonna show you so you can think around.
What?
I'm gonna show you the different kinds.
Dirt bike cops? Yeah, see the dirt bike cops right there? Yeah, see them, they hiding under the sun. Yeah. They be around. We don't care though, we still be around, y'all, and they be chasing us all the time, y'all. It's crazy. Like they do way too much, huh? I can't get in the pool right now. I got shit to do. Let me see a double front flip dive. Ooh, you seen that double front flip dive, y'all? Solo dolo, man. But listen, y'all, I know we gotta go get this KX100 handlebar, so I'll meet you guys at the Honda shop. No, guys, I am not cheating on DHY. I just need handlebars for the KX100, so I'm not gonna drive all the way to Jersey just for some handlebars. Let's see what they got. How you doing? Before we even get to the sales part, Vince, look at my man. He's growing his beard out, bro.
I never consented to you.
It does. I don't care at this point. Look at his beard.
It looks good.
It looks
so good.
It looks good. It looks good.
Looks so
You're finally
good.
like a man, bro.
Go back to the old videos that I appear in. I'm fatter.
You going to the gym?
No, I
You
go
know-
here. It's just hot out and I sweat. Come on. Is your bike here?
No, it's not here. No. Let's go to the KX100. My man Vince is helping me right now. But yo, listen, it's weird with him with a beard, bro. I've been coming here for years, like years and years and years. Never seen this man with a beard.
First time.
First time. But it looks good, bro. I like it. I'm digging it.
I remember when you first got shaver facial hair, probably, right?
Yeah, probably one chin hair. Just like one.
Like a year ago.
Like a year ago? Or it's thinner. What do you guys think? It's gonna be cool. Why do you guys don't keep 100s in stock?
Sold out, man.
You sell them too fast? Yep, so we're just gonna go with, what are they? What kind of bars are they again?
Mini bars.
Mini bars. Hopefully these mini bars treat us well, because we got a track race next week. Next week we're going to the track, guys. I can't believe it. He's growing a beard. I can't believe it. Is it?
I'm like the Dos Equis guy.
Alright guys, hold up. Change of plans. We're not gonna go get the kegs just yet. Babe, what are we doing, babe?
We're rushing down the South Street to go get this little Louis bag I wanted.
Oh my god. She texts me, she's like, babe, look at this Louis bag. Oh my god, look at it. And then I'm like, let's go get it. Come on. She's like, really? Really? So I'm like, of course, babe. She's been working hard, so let's spoil the baby just a little bit, alright? A little bit. Her and this Louis and Gucci. My mom, I know you watch my vlog. It's your fault, mom. It's your fault. When I first met her, she wasn't like this. She didn't care what she had. She didn't.
Y'all made me bougie.
And now we gotta spend hundreds and always hundreds and hundreds all the time.
Liar.
Liar?
Just on bags and shoes.
That shit ain't cheap.
I don't care about my clothes, but my bags and shoes. I like certain things.
Bags and shoes still ain't
And
cheap.
sunglasses. And sunglasses. I love sunglasses.
They still not cheap, but I'm about to rush down to South Street real quick. I'm gonna get off the freaking camera because I don't want to crash. I'm gonna rush down to South Street. Let's go grab this and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So guys, I broke my radio. I broke my radio and my beater. Michael. Thank you, Michael. You made me get this. Listen, we just gonna stop right here because I don't want to curse too much on the vlog. This is getting me frustrated because I like listening to music, alright, Michael? Your cheap ass. Yeah, this is because of you. And then me, my cheap ass, followed your cheap ass and made it even cheaper ass project, so look at it. This is why I don't be cheap on everything. Michael. Thank you, Michael. Thank you. Thank you. But other than that, my baby got her little Louis. You want to show me Louis, babe? Yeah, look at your Louis, my baby love. Oh, this is it. This is it. This is it. That's it.
That's it.
What does that do?
Carries my stuff. I have it in brown. I wanted it in white for the summer.
She had it in brown and she wanted it in white for the summer. You hear this thing, guys?
Thank you, though. You're the best.
Whatever. My baby got her stuff. She's happy. I'm glad she's happy. But she called me while we was at the Honda shop. She was like, yo, babe, they got this other. All right, babe, I'm coming now. Rushed up the Honda shop and didn't grab no grips for the handlebars.
YOLO. Ride it like that.
No, I ain't riding like that. You can't ride it like that. So now I got to go back to the Honda shop and get grips. And also, we got to pick up Kid because Kid said he wants to hang out with us today. And he said hopefully he wants to talk to us. So we'll see what he wants to talk about. Yo, did I make a grand entrance? Huh? Did I make a good entrance?
A crazy entrance, bro.
I did like a half a mini donut in my Jeep in the beer.
Scary.
Come on, let's go, let's
Part
go.
of this was gonna just go.
Let's go. Yeah, I did it on the highway too.
For real?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, you're a crazy ass motherfucker.
Come on, babe. You can sit right here. The seat for you. Let me move this stuff over. Hold up. Let me move this stuff over.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, and I broke my radio.
No way,
Yeah,
already?
Yeah, I just broke it. I was getting upset with
He'll
it.
tell you the story.
Yeah.
You, bro, you just don't change.
Nah.
You just don't change.
It's 8.
Nah. Here, you can throw this out.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm never gonna use it again.
That is done.
Yeah. So you remember I told you Kiki had to talk to me about son. So I'm just fucking with y'all. I ain't talking about that. Yo, everybody who's commenting on Kiki's page like, yo, why'd you leave the B Squad? Well, why you not working for Angie no more? Guys, we just live two separate lifestyles. That's all.
That's all it is.
There's
Two separate
nothing-
lifestyles, bro.
There's nothing to it. Like I said, he's still my friend. Like he's here with me. We're gonna go chill. He's gonna help me vlog and nothing crazy. That's it.
Right.
Like we probably go get something to eat, whatever. I don't know. Like, but we're just friends, guys. Like we were business partners, and then business partners didn't work. But it's
Right.
cool. But
Exactly.
you're still my man.
Of course.
That's it. That's
My bro.
Guys, don't curse him out. Please don't go. The B Squad go hard. I love y'all.
Yeah, I see
Just don't
it.
curse him out, though. There's no need for that, y'all. Once again,
Seriously.
he's still my friend. He didn't do anything bad to us or to me, to the B Squad, nothing like that. He's a good guy, and once again, y'all, we just went our separate ways. That's it. But we
Right.
are still friends. Like, he's here.
Exactly.
Now we gotta go back to the Honda shop because I forgot grips. So we gotta go back.
Grips for what?
I Manny demolished
Oh, yeah,
the KX,
yeah, yeah,
so I
yeah.
bought new handlebars.
Bing! Oh, you didn't catch it on footage?
Nah, I
You
didn't
was ahead
catch
of
it on-
him.
yep,
Bro,
I was
that shit
ahead
was crazy. I was behind. Bing! He slid. Like, what? That shit was
He gave me the case. He's like, Angie, you can have it. No,
For
here.
real?
No, he didn't say you can have it, but he was like, here. But I got new plastics, graphic kit, handlebars, a whole bunch of stuff for it. So we're gonna make it look good. And then Manny's not getting it back. So Manny, you're not getting that shit back. So since we are gonna be running the 100, we need an oil change. Here, you can hold that for me. Thank you. I think we need some Mo too. You can hold that for me too. And then we need a spark plug. Right? Gotcha. Yo, Kick It. This man's beard was hilarious, right?
Yo, shit, yeah. Shit, funny as ever.
And you're hot. You look
Yeah,
hot.
sweater.
Yo, what'd you do to your hair, bro? Wait, come over here on this side so you can see, what's going on? What's going on with your hair?
I dyed it.
Why'd you dye it?
I don't know. Something different.
Something different?
Yeah, I just want to have fun.
I feel it. Yeah, have fun, live your life. Always gotta do it, guys. Just live life to a different extent and just be happy. You happy with it?
I'm happy with
Yeah,
it.
that's all that matters. So, guys, like I was saying, we had to go back to the Honda shop. We got some new grips. Boom. We got that. We got some oil because I don't know how bad Manny was beating the bike. We got some more two-stroke because we gotta stay stacked up on this. And also we got spark plug. You gotta change the spark plug. You gotta keep it up tight, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna warm it up first, and then we can start. Oh, wait. You on there? You recording?
Yeah, I'm on there.
Wait. We got the handlebars. Boom. Got it. All right, now let's warm the bike up. We're trying to turn it on, and this is what's happening. We're trying to warm it up so we can give it an oil change and shit, but weird. I think it might be the spark plug. Let's do the spark plug change real quick and let's see how that affects the bike.
Wait, what was that?
What?
Oh, something fell on me. What was this? I start folding.
This shit dirty as shit. You work on a bike and it's like 1,000,000,000 degrees outside, it's hard.
That is true.
Oh,
What happened?
that's why.
You guys gas
The
on?
gas is off.
Wow! Rookie.
Yo!
That was rookie right there.
That was rookie. Kid, why didn't you tell me the gas is off, kid?
Because I'm a rookie too.
You supposed to tell me, kid. You supposed to tell me your ain't the gas off, kid. You know what I'm saying? Let's see it works now, kid. Oh, kid.
Oh no, kid. Look at that. Look at that. It works now.
Look at it. Now we can just let it warm up. The dark side. It's so hot, y'all. But we gotta get this ready. Where's the hole? Hold the bike.
Oh, my bad.
Okay. We gotta get this ready for the track. We got the track coming up again, bro.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I'm ready for that.
That's lit.
Yeah. It's hot as shit, man.
Hot is not the word. It's like a sauna out this thing.
I'm scared to get my hands there. Yo, I'm driving. Oh. Shit. I feel like it's about to come off, bro. More spins. I'm scared as shit. I'm scared because it's gonna always. Oh, told you, bro.
There it goes.
There it goes. There she goes. She was black too, bro. No, I'm not being racist.
Oh, I wasn't even pointing at you.
Lil TJ. Niggas gon' hate, I don't care about 'em. Niggas gon' hate, I don't care about 'em.
Make sure it's all out. You all out of there?
Knock, knock.
Knock, knock. Hello? I think it's all out, bro.
I think it's all out. What does the peg do?
It makes the oil come out more.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Not at all. No one can stop me, I feel like the greatest. Don't say be humble, I patiently waited. All of this love and I ain't even made it. I got a plan for them niggas that hate it. Running some bitch for my bros, I'ma make it. They want me going, I can't walk around naked. Even my brother got caught and he ate it. No one can stop me, I feel like the greatest. Hop in the foreign, I'm drifting on stupid. Be broke like the f is you doing? Started off strong, but there's room for improvement. I ain't for nothing, Milwaukee, I'm booming. Love ain't for me, now it's static with Cupid. In love with the way that I sing. They ain't want TJ before this whole movement. Now they dick rock cause I'm doing my thing. Still posted up on the block with the gang. Spin through your hood, I ain't tucking my chain. Bro got a chop with a whole lot of range. Should be consistent, ain't nothing gon' change. Now that I'm speaking out honestly.
Alrighty, guys, this is the first step. Like I was saying, first step to the makeover, guys. We put the new handlebars, we put the new grips, and then we just did a little bit of engine work, a little bit of cosmetics. Nothing too crazy, but I promise you guys, next week we're gonna have this whole bike looking different. I'm not sure if we're gonna make it black. I'm not sure. Listen, just y'all stay tuned for this shit because we are gonna kill it. I'm trying to tell y'all. I'm out, y'all. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, do what you guys do best. And wait, I can't leave you shit. You gotta make sure you grab the hottest bike lane merch in the game, www.bratvlogs.com, so you can win a brand new GoPro. Now I'm out. Peace.